Hey, I have a message for you. It's good news. Your vibe is not hard set, and it's something that you can work on. And it is the most important quality if you want to become the most attractive version of yourself. There's something called state transference, and that's the feelings that you are feeling, other people will feel just by being around you. If the goal is being socially magnetic, then can you see the value of having a really good energy about you? You don't even have to say anything. You don't have to worry about the right words, using lines, or anything like that. You just enjoy your own presence so much that people enjoy yours because you're a source of good energy. And at the end of the day, we all just want to feel good. That's why we do pretty much anything. You can literally say nothing and people will just be like, oh my God, I like this guy because you're just bubbling with good energy. So then just learning any amount of social skills is just super useful. And it takes your social magnetism to a whole nother level. Because what I found from building social circles from scratch in a bunch of different cities is that what people love across the board is play. Most people want to play. That's why most adults go to bars and get drunk, because that's the only time they give themselves permission to just let loose, be playful, and tap into that energy. Because it's enriching, it's rejuvenating, it's beautiful. It's so fun to just be in that state of play. And if you learn how to generate that within yourself consistently, you will never struggle socially again to get the relationships, the dates, the networking opportunities you want. Because you know what's cool about play? Not only is it free to produce, it's also a renewable energy. It's something you can continuously create more of. Play is only really fun when it's authentic to you. If you're forcing yourself to play a game, you're not going to like it. And it's something that money cannot buy. That's what sets you apart from people who have maybe more resources or opportunities or things going for them, whether that's in the dating market or even the job market. Your personality, your ability to make people enjoy being around you is a beautiful skill because it's not fake. You can't really fake that. If you don't enjoy being around yourself, you can't possibly do that for other people. And the process of learning to enjoy being around yourself is actually a process of self-love. Because if there's parts of you that you don't like, then you need to face those and bring those into a state of acceptance and love. And that's what unlocks your ability to play. So it's a beautiful journey. It's something that is such a gift for yourself and for other people and will give you opportunities like nothing else. Think about this, for example. Imagine you're a job recruiter and you're hiring for a new high position and you have two candidates. Candidate A and B both have basically the same qualifications. Maybe candidate A actually has a couple more years experience, but more or less they can both do the job. But candidate B is like an awesome guy, right? Like he just makes you feel appreciated and acknowledged and he's present with you. He makes you laugh. Who are you going to hire? If you have to be around A or B, and let's say A is just kind of flat, like let's not even say he's negative. He's just kind of boring and neutral. That's fine. It's not wrong. But who would you rather hire? The person that you're going to be able to walk around the office and smile when you see them, that make you feel happy when you're around them? Or the other guy who maybe has a little bit more experience, but just kind of dull? I've been on the hiring and recruiting side myself before, and I've spoken with hiring managers before. And people are people, no matter what position they might be in. That human dynamic matters. And this change in your energy could be the difference between a failing career or a thriving one, a failing dating life or a thriving one. Which do you want? And the good news again is that this is going to teach you how to enjoy the process yourself, where you can look forward to those job interviews because you know you're going to have a good time with the recruiter and your chances are going to be better. You're going to look forward to approaching that pretty girl because you're going to have fun in the process. It's not going to feel like all this pressure. Avada Kedavra! Where you know how to play, even a stick can make your day. A lot of people stop themselves from playing with strangers or people they don't know yet because they're afraid, what if I look weird? What if they think I'm a weirdo? But let me ask you a question. When you are having fun with your best friends and you have that level of comfort with them, how weird are you guys being together? Let's be honest. How goofy, off the wall, edgy are you really being? Because that's your authentic self. And you'd be surprised that if you just lead with that kind of energy, as long as it's calibrated, with people you haven't met yet, they're gonna feel immediately as if you're already that close with them, and they'll open up like crazy. And you can learn to have more fun with people you just met a few seconds ago than some people ever have in their entire lives.
It's all in your state, man.
If you learn how to become what other people want in a way that is authentic and uplifting for yourself, you will never struggle with loneliness ever again. Sending you love, be good to yourself, and you might find that that fun energy leaks out into the rest of your life in a brilliant way. And I want that for you. So you better subscribe or I'm gonna find you. I'm coming for you. If you don't subscribe, I'm coming for you. You better get ready because I'm coming for you fast, man. Come on.